Is your Fortnite experience falling flat because you can't hear a thing? Let's lock in and fix that dead audio. First, right-click the speaker icon in your system tray and select Open Sound Settings. Make sure your correct output device, your headphones or speakers, is selected from the drop-down menu. Next, press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and hit Enter. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to ensure you have the latest version. Now, let's dive into Fortnite. Open the game, go to the Settings menu, and click the Audio tab. Double-check that your output device is correctly selected here as well. Make sure your sound quality is set to high. Sometimes a lower setting can cause audio issues. Finally, verify your voice chat settings. Ensure your input device is correct and that voice chat is enabled if you use it. If these steps don't work, try restarting your PC. Boom! Hopefully, your Fortnite audio is back in action. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more gaming fixes. See you in the next one.